Furthermore, what are the common errors that are made by Muslims during the holy month of Ramadan?
The common errors committed by the Muslims in the month of Ramadan can be broadly classified into 4 categories. The first category is the common errors committed by Muslims regarding the obligatory rules and regulations of fasting. The second category is the common errors committed by Muslims which are contradictory to the sunnah of fasting. The third category is the errors committed by Muslims mainly due to neglecting the obligatory duties in Islam and indulging in acts which are prohibited. And the fourth category is the other common errors committed by Muslims in the month of Ramadan.
Clearly, Dr. Zakir, it's going to be difficult for us to discuss all of the common errors made by Muslims during the month of Ramadan in this one interview. But over the next 32 days, we will, inshallah, try to cover those issues. But could you just state or list the most grievous mistakes made by Muslims in the month of Ramadan?
As far as the common errors that fall in the first 2 categories, inshallah, we'll be discussing in detail in the next, inshallah, 30 days. I will, inshallah, speak about the common errors committed in the third and fourth category.